Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you might be able to play UFC 6 on PC. Now the game is not officially launched on for PC, so the only way to play it is using Xbox Cloud Gaming with the Game Pass Ultimate. Now at launch, UFC is not available yet on Xbox Cloud Gaming yet, so right now you cannot directly stream and play it on the PC through xCloud. But there is still a pretty good chance that EA could add it later in the future, just like some other EA games. UFC 5 was also added after some time following its release, so there's definitely a chance UFC 6 could end up coming to cloud gaming. So if that eventually happens, then these are going to be the steps that you need to follow. First, you want to open up your browser, whether that's a Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you use. Then simply search for Xbox Cloud Gaming or xCloud Gaming Services and open the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. After that, sign into your Microsoft account that has Game Pass Ultimate active on it. And of course, since UFC games require controller support, you'll also need to connect an Xbox or PlayStation controller to your PC before gaming. You should be able to simply search the game, click play, and then start streaming it directly on your PC without needing a console. But again, at launch, UFC 6 is currently not available on xCloud, so for now, this is more a future method in case EA decides to add it in later. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like. Have a wonderful day.